When one thinks of birds, they might probably imagine a somewhat small winged creature covered with feathers. They have beaks and small feet, very different than those of humans. Some of them fly, some don't. But where did they come from? We as humans know that we are descended from apes, and that most four-legged mammals originated from some sort of fish. But what about the birds? Where did they come from? Why do they look the way they do? In this video, we will explore the fascinating and incredible process, the evolution of birds. Birds. The next evolution. These are the voyages of the avian genome. Its continuous mission to explore strange new forms, to seek out new adaptations and evolutions, to boldly go where no gene has gone before.
Upon observation, there is one thing that is plainly obvious about birds. They have little to nothing in common with other creatures. They have beaks, no teeth, feet designed for perching upon branches, hollow bones, and feathers. Just to name a few. Obviously, most can also fly. But where did these amazing creatures come from? Recent discoveries have revealed one startling answer. Dinosaurs. Meat-eating, ground-dwelling dinosaurs. I know what you're thinking. How did these small, flying creatures evolve from the vicious reptiles for millions of years ago?
In 1860, inside a sample of Bavarian limestone, a single feather about 150 million years old was found. This feather belonged to Archaeopteryx lithographica. This animal had feathered wings, an unbird-like ponytail, and a toothed jaw. This gave scientists a connection between birds and dinosaurs. However, it was not proven until a scientist named Thomas Henry Huxley compared the hind limbs of a megalosaurus and an ostrich. This suggestion was thwarted by paleontologist Harry Govier Seeley, stating that the reason for having similar hind limbs was for the use rather than gaining it from dinosaurian ancestors. Theropods, the supposed ancestors of dinosaurs, once were thought to have lacked clavicles. However, birds have wishbones, which are two fused collarbones. Then, in 1936, Charles Camp of UC Berkeley made an astonishing discovery. He found the fossilized remains of a small early Jurassic theropod, but this theropod included a complete set of clavicles.
The beginning of bird flight baffles many scientists. However, the commonly believed hypothesis informs us that small dinosaurs ran along the ground and stretched out their arms to balance themselves. As they ran, they would leap into the air to catch insects for food. Their small feathers eventually became larger, thus giving them the ability to fly.
In conclusion, from what we have studied and researched, the idea that birds descended from dinosaurs is a thriving example of the theory of evolution proposed by Charles Darwin, and possibly its greatest mystery.